Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to type code in Chatgpt. Whether you are a seasoned programmer or just starting out typing code, in ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for generating code snippets and exploring different programming concepts. So let's dive in and learn how to use this exciting feature step by step. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT interface. To start typing code in ChatGPT, you will first need to open the interface by visiting the OpenAI website and selecting the chat option. Once you are there, you can begin typing in the chat window to prompt ChatGPT to generate code. Step 2. Specify the programming language. ChatGPT can generate code in a variety of programming languages, so it's important to specify which language you want to use. You can do this by simply typing the name of the language in your prompt. Step 3. Define the problem or the task. Next, you will need to define the problem or the task you want ChatGPT to help you with. This could be anything from generating a basic function to a solving complex algorithmic challenge. Be as specific as possible to get the most accurate and useful results. Step 4. Review and refine the generated code. Once ChatGPT generates code in response to your prompt, you can review it and make any necessary refinements or modifications. This may involve tweaking the syntax, adding comments, or adjusting the logic of the code to fit your specific needs. Example: let's say you want to generate a simple Hello World program in your Python. You might prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Can you generate a Python program that prints Hello World to the console?" ChatGPT will then generate a block of code that you should accomplish this task, which you can review and refine as needed. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to type code in ChatGPT. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Be sure to try it out for yourself and explore all exciting possibilities this feature has to offer. See you soon.